The truth of the matter is, to improve the productivity, we need everyone, including the clients. So everyone from top to bottom needs to work together to improve. So I'll give you the examples of, like, you can be the best builder in the world. If you're building off a bad set of drawings, that's a really big problem, and you will make mistakes and you'll have to redo things. We all have to work together in a harmony to do our bit better and keep lifting it. So it's not, again, this is why it's not easy to solve, because you're kind of only as good as the weakest link in the chain. To actually make these improvements, you, in my opinion, have to kind of put your money where your mouth is. What we've done is gone, okay, well, we can complain about that or we can do something about it. So we've now moved to that everyone has to work in the 3D model environment. So there's not one contractor on our projects who doesn't model fully. So you don't get to go and work in 2D anymore. We redraw, so we take the architect's drawings and draw them to probably to LOD 400 or just a much, much higher level of detail. Again, so that we're doing the hard work in the digital world, not in the physical world. So I, in my heart, know that we are saving money by doing that and we're building a better product. Another example is we're investing in training our staff. So we do an hour a week of training for every single staff member, which is a massive commitment and really, really hard to do. Our next real frontier is working with our trade partners even closer, training them, working with them, listening to them, be a better client for them as well. We would spend millions on our digital team and also providing additional modelling services to our projects. We're making less mistakes on all of our projects, and all of our projects we've seen over the last 2 years, the profitability is ticking up, and we really are very focused on measuring what we spend money on. And an example we really like is a year that our revenue was half of what it sort of currently is. Before we really started focusing on this waste and we adopted this, every project is going to be done in 3D and coordinated properly and modelled properly. I think we spent $500,000 on concrete cutting that year, and last year we spent $60,000 on concrete cutting. So if you're in the industry, you don't usually cut concrete because something's gone right. So we've found that to be a really good, interesting measure to go, well, if we're not doing that much concrete cutting, it means we're making less mistakes. No one builder will solve this, and it's actually better if we all work together in the bits that we're all good at or what we're interested in to sort of lift the whole industry together.